Okay, so we're coming out here for another flight of the Hildabeast. A few things that we changed up. As you can tell, we have the X-Class Master Airscrew 13x12 props. The Graupner 14/8s were nice, but I just didn't feel like they had quite the bite. It didn't have the speed that I would expect out of something so powerful. So we're gonna try these out today. In addition to that, I've had a few, I wouldn't say rough landings, but this thing's heavy, it's not light. And when it comes down and you've got the battery mounted on the bottom, this is an expensive battery. And aside from it being expensive, when it comes down and it's got force, it can deform the cells, it can loosen a connector inside, it's dangerous. So we're gonna try and top mount the battery this time. I think it's gonna be good. So we're just getting this set up in here now. There we go. Oh yeah. I think I like that better already. Okay. One thing I will be doing also is relocating the Immortal T. Right now it's blocked by too much carbon. So I think what I'll do is I'll get some of the little arms that will come down and kind of extend it downward out here in front, which should free it up from any of the carbon. No matter what the orientation of the craft is, the antenna will be down here, so you'll have a clear radiation path to the receiver. Because right now this is team failsafe right here. I think that the top mounted battery is going to be a much better option, because in the event that I have to do what we did the other day when somebody powered on while I was trying to capture some awesome 360 video for you guys. Thankfully, I was only a couple feet off the ground, but my only option was, when I was looking at this other person, was to disarm and drop. Well, 10 pounds or however much it is heavy, coming straight down on the battery, it kind of came out a little misshaped, which is why you see it wrapped in Gorilla Tape right now, kind of trying to hold its form. All right, let's go. PDR record. You guys want to do a punch out? You ready for this?
Yeah, just go 3, 2, 1.
All right, here we go for a punch out. Okay, and punch out in 3, 2, 1. Holy shit. That took the battery down to 20.8. Or I'm going to come by for one pass. right up to me.
What kind of amperage should we pull on this?
On the punch out, as I was looking up there and trying to also monitor everything else, it appeared that we pulled about 190 amps. I kind of expected it to be more, but then again, these are such low kV. These are 545s, which we should have checked also. The ESCs, I mean, they're cold as can be. The motors are cool. Again, these are the Master Airscrew X Class 13x12 props. I like them. 190 amps on the punch out. Last week on the Graupner 14x8s, we hit 84 miles an hour. Kind of, not really happy with that. So again, hopefully today we'll break 100. Whoa! No! Thoughts? Just inspecting. So, all right, so we broke a prop, one only. There's nothing else, no other apparent damage to the frame, none. Nothing at all. The battery popped off. Oh, yeah, we broke the GoPro mount. So the 3D printed mount for the GoPro is broken. Broke one prop. That's it. No other issues. So something strange happened there. I think the gyro freaked out. When I went to do the roll and I came back out of it, it wouldn't recover. Interesting. But yeah, success. We broke a prop, big deal. All right, so we can see the impact. So this thing came down in that hole right here. Okay, so this is how it happened. Right, oh yeah, right. How the hell? Oh yeah, right there. So this came in.
Yep.
Hey, whatever.
Cool.
It's good.
Right on.